The POCHFAN 42-inch black ceiling fan combines a sleek design with advanced functionality, making it a great addition to any room. Equipped with a quiet DC motor, this fan operates at noise levels quieter than a library, ensuring a peaceful environment. Its integrated LED light offers adjustable color temperatures and brightness, allowing you to create the perfect ambiance with ease. The reversible function ensures year-round comfort by providing effective cooling in summer and circulating warm air in winter. With 6-speed settings and a comfortable sleep mode, this fan provides customizable comfort to suit your needs. The stylish design features dual-sided blades and a decorative ring, enhancing both the aesthetic and performance of the fan.